Hi, if you are looking for presentation recording or lecture capturing, then I'd like to show you the Pixel 2 Media P.CORDER. And I'm using the P.CORDER now to do this presentation. So you can see me on the left-hand side, and this is one of the theories with presentation. It's important to engage the audience and with your presenter to stay in shot. If you just have the presentation, then it's less engaging. So on the right-hand side, you can see that I've got my presentation, and that's coming from my Mac, and I can just click through the presentation and I can go through each section of the presentation while still talking to you on the camera. And this device has a number of templates. If I change the template here, now you can see a full screen template of me, and I want to show you the control. So this is the control, and it's just as simple as that. A TV remote control. You press record to start, you press stop to stop, and you can also select different templates. Let me show you the device. This is the P.CORDER. So this is the front panel, and on the back you can see it's got two inputs, HDMI inputs, one for your presentation, one for your camera, and then we mix it and post-produce on the fly. So we record directly to network or to a USB device there. And so using the remote control, I can now change templates. So if I go to the third template I've got loaded in this particular USB, it should then change to a full screen of just the presentation. So now I can click through my presentation, you can see, and I can still talk to you about what the presentation is all about. If I go back to my combined template, which is just has got the presentation and me, what I can obviously do is break out of the presentation, and it's just a HDMI input, so I can then come to my PC, Mac or iPad or iPhone, whatever, to either demonstrate some software or to show you a website. For instance, this is the pixel2media.com website, where you can find presentations about the P.CORDER and some other videos, etc. And then it also tells you a little bit about the process of putting the templates in, which is just a Photoshop file. So you edit it in Photoshop and you put it on the USB stick and then you reload it. So it's very, very quick. So yeah, ideal product for presentation recording, lecture capturing, for demonstrating products. There's no post-processing. You don't need to do any editing. Basically, I shot this video in 5 minutes and then I uploaded it straight away, so I didn't need to do any editing at all. So yeah, have a look at the website and have a look at the product, pixel2media.com. Thanks.